in 7.2 we are solving multi-step equations. The heading here says using distributive property, but I'm just congesting it for you guys. It's using distributive property and it's combining like terms. So the steps, we're combining like terms. So we're solving multi-step equations using distributive property and combining like terms. So the first step is we distribute if needed, always. That is the most important thing for the rest of your math career. You always have to distribute. The second thing, we're going to combine like terms, and this is on the same side of the equal sign. That was incomplete. And we got practice with that a little earlier today. Third is just like a normal, what we do here when we combine like terms on the same side, we congest it into the two-step equation. So we follow the steps there. We move what isn't connected, and then we move what is connected. Any questions on those steps? All right. Ready? Okay, we're going to do an example. This first example, if I have 2x plus 4 plus 5x equals 18. And my goal here is always to solve for the variable. Now the variable won't always be x, sometimes it'll be a, sometimes it'll be b, z, it really does not matter. They all mean the same thing. So, according to my step, the first step says distribute if I need to. Do I need to distribute here? No. So the second step says combine like terms. So I'm going to add 2x, and this looks like plus 5x because there's a plus right before. And I get 7x plus 4 is equal to 18. Okay? My second step is to move what's not connected. What's not connected, class? 4. My 4. Now I'm going to show my work the way I showed you with that college method, okay, where I'm not showing minus 4 and minus 4. I'm just congesting it together. So this turns into 7x is equal to 14. Now, again, I did not show my minus 4 because this 14 tells me that I knew I had to subtract 4. Okay, that is good enough showing your work to me. But you have to show this whole step. You have to. Now I have 7x is equal to 14. How do I move that 7? Divide. So 14 divided by 7 is 2. So x is 2. All right, let's do another example together. We get 9 minus 4 plus 8x equals 29. I'm looking at these. When I look at the left-hand side, first off, I notice I don't have to distribute. That's step 1, not needed here, right? So step 2 is to combine like terms. I notice I only have one x term, or a little 8x. So I'm just going to go ahead and write them on the left-hand side. Keeping in mind we always want the variable on the left. So I'm going to write 8x. Now I'm going to deal with my 9 and 4. This is 9 minus 4. What's 9 minus 4? Huh? What's 9 minus 4? 5. So that's plus 5 is equal to 29. Now I'm going to move my 5 by subtracting, and I get 8x equals what, class? 20. And how do you move that 8?
Divide by 5.
So x equals
3.
3. Let's see if I have a better one to do, a little bit more advanced. That's a little bit more advanced. So go ahead and write this one in your notes. We'll do some more examples with this distributive property as well. We get negative 5 minus 8x plus 3 plus 10x equals 20. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I see I don't have to distribute, so I'm going to start combining like terms. I get negative 5 plus 3. Negative 5 plus 3 is I'm at a negative 2. Now I have this negative 8x plus 10x. Negative 8 plus 10 is a positive 2. So I'm going to plus 2x is equal to 20. Now there's two different strategies here. We could either just move our 2x to the left, but since we know we want everything away from x, we might as well just deal with this negative 2. To move that negative 2, I'm going to plus 2 to both sides because it's negative right out in front. And I'm left with 2x is equal to 22. Divide through by 2, and I get x is equal to 11.
Extend the page another 5 times.
Yep. Okay, we're going to do some more examples that we apply using the distributive property as well. And as you can see, we got this nice equation coming up. 4 times 2x plus 1 plus 3x equals 26. Now keep in mind, this is definitely a multi-step equation because first you need to distribute, that's step 1. Second, you need to combine like terms, there's step 2. Third, you're gonna move what's not connected, so you got 3 steps going on. And lastly, you're gonna move what's connected. So this really has turned into a 4-step equation. As long as I follow my steps, I am all good. Okay, so step 1, distribute. 4 times 2 is 8x, plus 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3x equals 26. Okay, now I'm going to combine like terms. I got 8x here plus 3x. 8x plus 3x is I'm at 11x plus 4 is equal to 26. Now I move what's not connected, so my plus 4 is not connected. I'm going to move that. How do I move that, class? So I get 11x is equal to what? 22. X equals what?
2.
And how did we get 2?
Divided by 11.
No, we don't want to do, because 2 times 11, we want to apply
Divide by.
inverse. 22 divided by 11 is 2. All right, let's do this next example. It's coming.
It's
Coming. Alrighty, so step 1 is what, class? Let's distribute. So distribute. Make sure you distribute to both terms because sometimes people forget about the poor little second guy inside the parentheses. And you just leave it. Don't do that. So I get 10x minus 6 is equal to 14. That's me distributing. Now I'm going to move what's not connected since I don't have to combine like terms. And I get 10x is equal to 20. Divide by 10. X is equal to 2. Right, we're going to see if we have another example to do. I hope they're fun. There's two variables in there. That's not going to be effective for us. Maybe this page is... Okay, let's do this one. I must have meant to put a number in there, but I didn't. Right, this one I'm just going to kind of roll with you here. We get 4y minus 4 is equal to 36. Waiting for the screen. All right. Now I'm going to plus 4 to both sides, and we get 4. We get 4y is equal to 40. Moving my 4, I get y is equal to what, class? 10.
Oh, it's right.
All right. Let's see what happens. I want to see a good one. I'm going to tell you if I want you to do it or not. Yeah, do this one. This looks good.
Okay.
I'm going to write the homework. Yep. Okay.
First, you're going to distribute these two. This is 8m minus 12 plus 3. Okay. Then you add these two, now be 9m times 12. 3.
Good job, Katie. Yes, we are done. Thank you.